Plant FAQs. Begonia Rex Salsa. Begonia Rex Salsa, a dazzling dance of color in your home. Hello, plant enthusiasts. Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the captivating world of the Begonia Rex Salsa. This isn't your ordinary houseplant. It's a kaleidoscope of foliage that injects vibrancy into any indoor space. If you're considering welcoming a Begonia Rex Salsa into your home, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about this stunning begonia cultivar. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Rex Salsa? The Begonia Rex Salsa is a stunning, herbaceous perennial belonging to the Begoniaceae family. It's a cultivar of the Rex begonia, known for its captivating, patterned leaves. Salsa's standout features. Eye-catching foliage. The salsa boasts a mesmerizing display of colors. Imagine deep red centers on its leaves, edged by a light green-silver margin, all framed by a dramatic, dark green border. It's a visual fiesta. Compact size. This begonia won't take over your living space. It typically reaches a height of 20 to 25 inches, 50 to 65 centimeters, and spreads to a similar width. Perfect for tabletops, shelves, or terrariums. Relatively easy care. The salsa isn't fussy. Provide it with the right conditions, and it'll reward you with vibrant foliage year-round. Begonia Rex Salsa versus other begonias. What makes it special? There are hundreds of Begonia Rex cultivars, each with its own unique charm. Here's how the salsa yes its way to the top. Distinct color palette. Compared to other Rex begonias, the salsa's color combination is particularly striking. The fiery red center with the cool green and silver accents creates a truly dynamic look. Compact growth habit. If you have limited space, the salsa's smaller stature makes it a great choice compared to larger Rex begonias that can sprawl. Generally pest-resistant. While all plants can be susceptible to pests, the salsa seems less prone to common begonia problems like mealybugs and spider mites. How to care for Begonia Rex Salsa. To keep your salsa thriving, follow these simple tips. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry. Don't let the plant sit in soggy soil, as this can lead to root rot. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is preferred. Grouping your salsa with other plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity. Temperature. Aim for temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Well-draining, fertile potting mix is key. Look for one specifically formulated for houseplants. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Is Begonia Rex Salsa rare? The salsa isn't super rare, but it might not be readily available at every garden center. Online retailers and specialty plant shops are your best bet. Is Begonia Rex Salsa toxic to pets? Yes, unfortunately, like most begonias, the Rex Salsa is toxic to cats and dogs if ingested. Keep it out of reach of curious pets. Can Begonia Rex Salsa be grown outdoors? Technically, yes, but only in areas with consistently warm temperatures and high humidity. In most climates, it's best enjoyed as a houseplant. How often should I repot my Begonia Rex Salsa? Repot only when the plant becomes root-bound, typically every 1 to 2 years. Choose a pot just slightly larger than the current one. With a little TLC, your Begonia Rex Salsa will bring a touch of the tropics indoors. Its vibrant foliage is a guaranteed conversation starter, adding a touch of artistic flair to your home. So, are you ready to add some salsa to your life?